Wonder Chef, the premium kitchen appliance brand co-founded by Chef Sanjeev Kapoor and Ravi Saxena, reinforced its strategic focus on the southern market with the grand inauguration of its 30th exclusive brand outlet at Garuda Mall, Bengaluru. This expansion aligns with Wonder Chef's aggressive plans to double its EBO count in the coming financial year, with a strong emphasis on strengthening its footprint across southern India. With Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu emerging as key growth markets, Wonder Chef's expansion strategy will prioritize these regions. The company aims to double its EBO count in the next financial year, ensuring that customers across southern India have better access to its wide range of products. Addressing media and customers at the event, Chef Sanjeev Kapoor highlighted the region's rapidly growing demand for innovative kitchen solutions.
So very happy that we've launched our new store in Garuda Mall in Bengaluru, Wonder Chef, and we have now multiple stores all over India. Wonder Chef products are available across all mediums, including about 22,000 stores all across India, including general trade, modern trade. But the way we are opening our own store, very quickly we want to open about whatever the number we have, we will double it in next 6 to 8 months. That's the way we are looking at it. We are keeping up with times where we have products, cutting edge products like Chef Magic, which is kitchen robot, which you don't need to do anything. There is recipe that is built in. It can cut, it can chop, it can cook, it can everything it can do. And if you want traditional, then we have cast iron pans which are much lighter, because cast iron pan, you want goodness of iron, but you don't want that extra heavyweight lifting. So we have worked on a technology where we cut down the weight by about 40%. Of course, our normal products like NutriBlend, where we are the market leaders, we continue to do well. We have range of coffee machines, 14 coffee machines, the largest in this country. So we are looking at growing market aggressively in southern part of India, and that's the plan.
We plan to go to tier 2, tier 3 cities.
Yeah. So we already go to more than 1,200 small cities and towns. We already reach out. So of course every brand wants to grow, and that's our plan. That's why we visit these different cities, states to look at growing the brand aggressively.
आज हम बेंगलोर में हैं, गरुड़ा मॉल में, और बेंगलोर हमेशा से मेरा बहुत ही फेवरेट सिटी रहा है, माय फेवरेट सिटी। यहाँ का वेदर, यहाँ के लोग, यहाँ का कल्चर, यहाँ का खाना, और आज बहुत ही खुशी हो रही है कि बेंगलोर में हमने अपनी कंपनी का आउटलेट खोला, एक्सक्लूसिव आउटलेट, जैसा आप मेरे पीछे देख रहे हैं, वंडर शेफ का आउटलेट। वंडर शेफ का 35th आउटलेट है, ये 35वां आउटलेट है, एंड वेरी हैप्पी टू ओपन इट अप इन बैंगलोर। हमारे आउटलेट में आपको सारा सामान वंडर शेफ का मिलता है, द फुल रेंज ऑफ किचन वेयर, कुक वेयर, appliances, grillers, cooktops, chimneys, toasters, बहुत कुछ है, and it's a great experience center. Demonstration होते रहते हैं यहाँ पे, and I think this will be a great place for people to experience the brand.
Which place है? center कहाँ खुला है?
वंडर शेफ कंपनी जो है हमने बॉम्बे में खोली है, and today it is an all India company. करीब करीब हिंदुस्तान के 150-200 शहरों में तो हमारी अपनी टीम मौजूद है, और जो वंडर शेफ का सामान बिकता है, जो प्रोडक्ट्स बिकती हैं, वो करीब 2200 शहरों से ज़्यादा में वंडर शेफ की प्रोडक्ट्स बिकती हैं अक्रॉस ऑल मीडिया, रिटेल, ई कॉमर्स, D2C, आर्मी कैंटीन्स, पुलिस कैंटीन्स, 15 से ज़्यादा देशों में वंडर शेफ एक्सपोर्ट भी होता है। सो इट्स एन ऑल इंडिया ब्रांड। साउथ इंडिया जो है वो नंबर 1 मार्केट है वंडर शेफ का, उसके बाद वेस्ट और नॉर्थ इंडिया है और फिर ईस्ट इंडिया है, लेकिन ब्रांड सारी जगह इज़ वेरी लव्ड एंड रेवर्ड।